Hello and welcome to our medical expenses and workers' compensation video. As an experienced workers' compensation lawyer in Perth, I've seen many work cover disputes and medical expenses. In this video, we'll cover the basics of claiming compensation for medical expenses after a workplace injury in WA. If you've suffered a work-related injury or illness, you may be entitled to claim certain medical expenses under workers' compensation. These expenses can include first aid and ambulance services, medication, medical or surgical attendance, treatment by specialists, dental work, physiotherapy, chiropractic care, hospital treatment, and other kinds of treatment such as osteopathy, clinical psychology, occupational therapy, speech pathology, and exercise-based programs. To claim compensation for medical expenses, you must prove that the medical expenses are related to the specific work accident set out in your workers' compensation claim form, and it is deemed necessary by a medical provider. The reimbursement of medical expenses can get complicated very quickly when there are secondary injuries resulting from the initial work accident. There is a prescribed amount setting out a limit for your medical expenses, which is $73,179. If you require further medical treatment after reaching the stat limit for medical expenses, you may be able to apply for an increase to your entitlement to a limited extent. If you are working with a workers' compensation lawyer in WA, your lawyer should be able to make an application on your behalf. Your social and financial circumstances will be considered when determining your eligibility. It's important to note that your employer's insurer is only required to pay reasonable medical expenses up to the medical and allied health provider rates set by WorkCover WA. So before you begin any treatment, be sure to check the fees charged by your medical provider. You may be responsible for covering any excess or gap between these fees and the set rates. We hope this video has helped you to understand your options for claiming medical expenses under workers' compensation and the potential issues you may encounter. If you need help with your workers' compensation claim in Western Australia, contact Foyle Legal for your obligation-free claim review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more workers' compensation videos.